Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online portal now. Let's continue our lesson in economics. We are doing sectors of the Indian economy. We have learned primary sector, secondary sector. Now we'll come to the tertiary sector also. We have learned some, but let's compare now. Sectors of the Indian economy. Rising importance of the tertiary sector in production. There is double in production. So let us compare why tertiary sector is getting more, it is becoming more and more important. So now let's see, there are 2 points and 2 has got further subdivided. Number 1, over the last 30 years, from 1973 to 2003, that is 30 years, in the span of 30 years, production in all 3 sectors has increased. Production in all 3 sectors, primary, secondary and tertiary. We have learnt about these in previous classes. These sectors, primary sector, primary, secondary is manufacturing and tertiary, that is service sector. So, but the production has raised in all 3 sectors within this 30 years and more it is being increased. It has increased the most in the tertiary sector. It has increased the most in this third tertiary sector, that is service sector. Why is this tertiary sector becoming so important in India? Why tertiary sector is becoming more and more important day by day in India? There could be many reasons. There could be many reasons, but some are, we will mention over here, those which are quite important we'll talk about. There are altogether 4 reasons we'll discuss. Some of the reasons are, here we will talk about. Why this tertiary sector is becoming more important in India. There are various reasons. Some of the reasons maybe after getting education they do not go back to the primary sector, they wanted to go to the tertiary sector or secondary sector. Mostly tertiary sector, they wanted to do service or jobs. So, and there are others. First, we'll talk about the reasons why it is more important in India. First, many services such as hospitals, educational institutions, post office, police stations, courts, defense, transport, banks and many more are required in a country. These can be taken as basic services. These can be taken as basic services, basic facilities for the people, and the people who work there, they are engaged and they are in the service sector. So these can be taken as basic services in a developing country. India is a developing country. In a developing country, the government has to take the responsibility to provide basic facilities, basic services for the provision of these services. Responsibility for the provision of these services. The government has to take the responsibility to provide services to the people, such as hospitals, schools, banking, insurance, transportation, many other services are required in the society and the people need these services and there is a need for these services, so people work there and that's why tertiary services is becoming more and more important. So now this is the first, maybe the first, and second reason, the development of agriculture and industry. The development of agriculture and industry promote or generate services. They promote or generate services such as transport. When there is a agricultural production, naturally that has to be taken to the storehouse, or that has to be, the product has to be taken to the market. So naturally you require transport. So services such as transport, trade, storage, communication, these services are required once there is a development in agriculture and industry. So these services are required. So that means as the time passes, more and more services are introduced. People need, people require. Greater the development in primary and secondary, if there is a development in primary and secondary sectors, more would be the same, more would be the demand for such tertiary services. If there is any increase in the primary and secondary sector, development, not increase, if there is any development in the primary and secondary sector, it will definitely affect the tertiary sector, and these more services are required or generated, that all these services come under tertiary sector. So these are the two reasons, and there are more other reasons. We'll discuss tomorrow in our next class, third and fourth reason. So there are many more, but these are quite important. We'll talk about 4 reasons why tertiary sector is becoming more and more important in India at present. So these are the 4, 2 right now and 2 more in our next class. These are the reasons. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and we'll learn about third and fourth reason. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video and being in the class so attentively. You have listened and paid attention and being with me in this class. Thank you very much, and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.